Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both software and hardware so the controller talks to your DAW. Install Komplete Kontrol and any driver updates, then connect the keyboard by USB. Use a powered hub if needed. Once done, launch your DAW and create an instrument track. Make sure Komplete Kontrol appears as MIDI in and out. You want low latency and proper routing. Also open native access to authorized libraries so the browser shows content. That prevents missing presets later. Now you navigate and play. Use the Komplete browser to filter by instrument type, tag favorites, and load NKS patches quickly. This lets you audition sounds without juggling menus. Once loaded, use the hardware encoders to control macros, tweak answer, and adjust effects in real time. Make sure your MIDI channel and local control settings match your DAW. If you want performance help, enable Arpeggiator, Scale Mode, and Light Guide. These features speed up sound design and keep you in key. Finish by integrating Komplete Kontrol into your workflow so sessions recall instantly. Save a DAW template with Komplete Kontrol preloaded, sync tempo to the host, and map common controls to plugin automation. That ensures consistency. When you export or bounce, make sure the plugin is rendered rather than resampled from the keyboard. If the unit becomes unresponsive, check USB power and hubs, reinstall drivers, and verify firmware. Also confirm the DAW's MIDI ports aren't being blocked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.